Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Golo Media, the best tech and hacks channel you can ever find on YouTube and in Africa. On my previous video, that was how to create a Netflix account without using a credit card. I gave you a clue that in today's video, I will be showing you how to create a USA or United States bank account in any country that you find yourself in, whether you're from Europe, Asia, or Africa, or blah blah blah. I'll be showing you how to create for yourself a United States bank account. There are many benefits in getting yourself a United States bank account. Some people save money in banks basically for more interest. So if you want more interest for your money, you can save in the United States bank account. And also when you want to make payments for some products, let's say for Disney Plus and different products, but you can't use your credit card or your bank account in your country to make that payment. The payment for those products are basically restricted in that same country. So you can, if you have yourself that US or United States bank account, you can make payment or purchase that product you want. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because the more you like, the more you subscribe, the more you help the family grow, so that I can give you nice content. You guys already know, as usual, all my hacks and all my content are legit. So guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like. So guys, let's get to the tutorials. Okay guys, you open your web browser on your phone or on your laptop. I'm using a laptop, so I open my Microsoft Edge browser. Then the online bank platform you'll be using or you'll be creating the account from is US Unlocked. So I'll leave the link in the description box below. So you search for US Unlocked. Then you click on the first one, www.usunlocked.com. Then you see here US Unlocked. Shop the United States from anywhere. Shop US websites from anywhere in the world using our virtual payment card with US billing addresses. So guys, when you create yourself or you create for yourself a US bank account, you can get a virtual credit card from US Unlock, which you can use in making payments on Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, Walmart, Pinterest, and so many on. When you scroll down here too, you can see a picture of how their virtual credit card looks like. This is a credit card number, the CVV, and the valid date. So let's go up and click on sign up. When you come here, you see account registration. So now we have to fill in our details. So you type your first name, type your last name, then here you type in your mobile phone number. So you type the mobile phone number of the country you're inside or the mobile phone number you own. So I'm in Ghana, so I'll type my mobile phone number that is in Ghana. So yeah, I'll type my email address. Then here you type in a password you want. You have to type in a strong password, guys. Then click on next. So they are submitting our details. So now guys, the next tab has opened and they said we should verify the email they sent to us in our email account. So what you need to do is to open a new tab and search Gmail. Okay, click on it. Then now you click on the profiles here to select the email you use for. So click on it. So guys, you click on, you see new message here, welcome to US Unlock Tyler Swift. So you click on that message. Now you see, welcome Tyler, thank you for joining, we are thrilled to have you on board. To continue registration on US Unlock, please confirm your email address. Then you click on confirm. And guys, you scroll down, you see now you need to add your home address. So you add the house address that you're inside, you type the house address or your location inside. So click on, so I'll click on I'm in Ghana, so I'll put my Ghanaian house address there. It says select state, so I'm in the Brong-Ahafo region. Select it and I'll click on update home address. So they ask you please confirm your home address, then you click on continue. Now you are all set. Your account registration, the verification of email and the home address are all set. Your new US Unlock account is ready. So you click on go to my dashboard, meaning go to my profile. Now you click here. Okay, now your account is set. So you see here, welcome Tyler. You can click here to view your identity or verify your identity, blah 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 and things. So guys, here too is your account balance. You can see 0.00 since the account is new and I've not loaded my account with money. Here too, when you click here, they will give you US Unlock platform also gives you US address in which you can use to ship things to that address, and that address will ship it back to your country. If the site you bought the items or you want to buy the items don't ship to your location, US Unlock will provide you with a US address in which you can ship the items there, and that warehouse will ship it to your country that you're in. So if right now you want to get yourself a virtual credit card, a virtual US credit card, you click add card. Then they'll ask you to type a nickname, like a nickname you want to give to that card. So let me type Tyler. Then I'll click here. You can choose the spending limit if you click here. So now you see spending limit is 3,500 US dollars. You can increase or you can decrease. So okay, so you click on add card. Now you see my merchant specific card Tyler. You see the number, the validated date, and here they'll ask you to click to show the details or for them to review the number to you. But since we don't have money in the account, they can't review the credit card they've given to us. They can't review the details to us. So when you click on it, they'll ask you to please load your account first. So when you click on load funds here, they will tell you that the minimum amount you can load your credit card or your US bank account is $100. The minimum is $100. So we click on next. Then you see here bank transfer, which means you transfer the money. If you want to transfer money to your US Unlock account, you transfer it from your local bank account in your country to this account. So when you click on it, it will give you a account number in which you can transfer the money from your local bank account to that account number, and it will show in your US Unlock account. So guys, this is your US Unlock account. Now you can use it to purchase products, explore, buy, save money, and all those stuff. Okay guys, if you follow the tutorials from that start to the end, now you are shocked that you have yourself a United States or a USA bank account created in the country that you are inside. Okay, let me give you a clue on my next video. On my next video, I'll be showing you how to drop ship. Maybe you want to purchase a product from UK or US, but that shopping site or that company doesn't ship to your country. I'll show you how to ship that, or get yourself a USA or a UK address in which the product will be shipped to that address, and that address will ship it back to you in your country. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that I'll be giving you more content and you'll be the first to also get those big and nice packages to enjoy yourself. Guys, see you again. Peace.